That's the first thing I think anybody looks at when they meet someone. You know, you look at their smile, you look at their face, and since high school, I've never smiled in a picture. My graduation pictures, my mouth is totally shut, you know. Really, really embarrassing. I never want to laugh too much or too hard in front of people, because I get really, really nervous. Personally, to me, I'm really bothered by them. So I have spaces in between, like my two front teeth, and they're really different. Like this one's way bigger than this one. The one in the middle, they aren't together. I feel like my teeth are misproportioned. They're different sizes. Just, they don't look symmetrical all together to me. They look very different. Dr. Harris is gonna put veneers on the top 10 of my teeth. So pretty much a whole new smile. Like literally everything you can see will be new.
The reason why I use the impression material Take One is because the light body flows really well around the margins, so that's always a favorite of mine. I used the high luster polishing cups. They work great for composites. They create a high shine on my temporary material, so I use them for pretty much everything for polishing.
When someone's happy, they smile, you know? When something great happens, they smile. That's what you see when they laugh. So I think it's a huge deal. I think it's life-changing. I think everybody, you know, should be really confident and happy in their smile. I think I'm gonna feel amazing. It's gonna literally change my life. I'm so nervous. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. You're beautiful. I love that. Oh my God. They're perfect. I love them so much. I mean, I have no words. I think they're just amazing. I'm really happy. It's gonna just change my life. I'm gonna be so much happier, so much more confident. I don't think I'm gonna stop smiling.